Hello students, today we are going to learn past continuous tense. As you know that in the last video we have discussed the simple past tense, and today we are going to learn past continuous tense. And you know what, as you know that in the previous video we discussed the simple past tense and there was a formula of subject, V2 and object. So here when you are using past continuous tense, तो उसका formula क्या होगा, और let us see what is the past tense. So past continuous tense is talking about, it is a form of verb which express a longer action in the past. जो past में तो कैसा longer, ऐसा कोई बड़ा इवेंट हो चुका है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, एक्शन हो रहे हैं उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. तो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. एक बात चीज हमेशा याद रखना, वी टू सिर्फ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में यूज होता है. इफ यू विल यूज कंटिन्यूअस टेंस दैट विल बी V1. इफ यू यूज वी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी V3. So this is the only tense where you have to use V2. Otherwise you have to use only V1 if there is past continuous tense. If there is I can say that if that video is on perfect tense. So you have to use only V2 where the simple past tense is there. So let's begin our video. In this video we are going to see past continuous tense formula, that subject. As you know that in the present continuous tense we have discussed am is are. Here we will discuss was and were. Okay, and this is V1 plus ing plus object. ये फॉर्मूला आपके दिमाग में आ गया होगा. So let's see where we can use this past continuous tense. An interrupted action in the past, यानी तो कोई चीज कब कुछ हो रहा था और तभी किसी ने आपको उसमें काम करने में दखलंदाजी दी हो तब, यानी कि कल में ये कर रहे थे तभी इन लोगों ने आके ऐसा किया. So look at this. I was studying, यानी this is our subject, this is our verb formation, this is V1 and this is our object. अब clear हो गया? I was studying for the test when my mom called. अब कौन सी चीज उनको इंटरप्ट कर रही है, क्योंकि जब वो स्टडी कर रहे थे तब उसकी मदर ने उनको बुलाया. तो अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, an interrupted action in the past. Clear? दूसरा है, he was watching TV when we gave him surprise visit. यहाँ पे क्या है, he was watching TV when we gave him surprise visit. तो this thing is showing us that what he was doing, यानी कि वो ये कर रहा था तब हमने ऐसा किया था. क्या किया, वो जब टीवी देख रहा था तो हमने उसको सरप्राइज विजिट दी थी. फिर मैं जब पढ़ रहा था तब मेरी मम्मा ने मुझे बुलाया था. This thing is clear. So on the basis of this you have to write down 2 sentences on it. यानी कि होमवर्क में आपको लिखा है write down 2 sentences on the basis of given 3 components. 3 components यानी कि interrupted action in the past, an action which was happening at a specific time in the past, and 2 actions happened at the same time, something in the past. यानी कि इन तीनों के बेसिस पे आपको ये होमवर्क खत्म करना है. So आगे देखते हैं. The second component is about an action which was happening at a specific time in the past. यानी कोई specific time की बात कर रहे हैं, यानी कि at exactly this same time yesterday I was जैसे कि संडे होता है तो आपका बहुत अच्छा दिन स्पेंड हो जाता है, उसी तरह से ये क्या करेंगे, कल एक्जैक्टली यही टाइम पे मेरा क्या अच्छा समय चल रहा था। दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है, इट वॉज रेनिंग एट 6 PM yesterday। अब यहाँ पे देखोगे I was, this is the I was having subject plus I was what, V1 plus ing and object. It was having subject to be V1 plus ing plus object. This thing is clear now. Let's see the third one. Two actions happened at the same time, something in the past. While I was reading, she was typing the notes. यानी कि दो चीजें एक साथ हो रही उसी वक्त पे, वो भी किसमें, पास्ट में, ना कि जैसे कि I am typing, I am reading now and she is typing now. No. What did it say? While I was reading, she was typing the notes. समझ में आया? Subject to be form V1 plus ing then object. Clear हो गया? While I was reading, जब मैं पढ़ रहा था, she was typing the text. यानी कि जब मैं काम ये कर रहा था, she was too doing the same work. But what type of work? I was reading and she was typing. यानी कि the time is same, but the situation, the thing is different in the past, not in the present. Why in the past? Because we are working on past continuous tense. And the second example is, she was dancing and was having a great time at the party. अब यहाँ पे क्या बात हो रही है कि she was dancing and was having a great time. She was dancing as our formula and was having great time at the party. यानी कि वो पार्टी में enjoy कर रही थी, वो उसके पास बहुत अच्छा वक्त था और वक्त बहुत अच्छे के साथ वो क्या कर रही थी, she was dancing. Now clear कि दो चीजें किस तरह से उसके सामने आ रही है. तो on the basis of I have given you the homeworks. So let us revise what we have done today and the previous lecture. In the previous lecture we discussed the simple past tense and its formula and its components where we can use simple past tense. Then today we discussed the past continuous tense. What is the past continuous tense? The formula of past continuous tense and where we can use this past continuous tense. In which internal action in the interrupted action in the past, whereas I was doing this and somebody has called me. So one thing is about what you are doing and your things whatever you are doing was interrupted by someone else. It means that I was standing for the taste my mother called. यानी कि कोई चीज आप कुछ कर रहे हो, कुछ जारी चल रहा है, आपका हो रहा है, इन बिटवीन किसी ने आपको इंटरप्ट किया तो आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. Then the action which was happening at a specific time in the past, यानी कि कोई एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम की बात हो रही है, तब आप past continuous tense यूज करोगे. Then the two actions happen at the same time, something in the past. अब ऐसी कोई चीज है वो एक ही साथ में चल रही है, जैसे कि मैंने ये दो एग्जांपल्स आपको दिए हैं. तो आपको ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस आपको दो सेंटेंसेस, दो इसके और दो इसके, यानी कि 6 सेंटेंसेस आपको बना के मुझे भेजने हैं. और वन थिंग, एक बात याद रखना कि असाइनमेंट अगर आपको डेली नहीं दिया जा रहा है, वो इसका रीज़न ये है कि आप लोग कभी होमवर्क करते हो या नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती है कितना सबमिट करना है या नहीं. तो अब क्या करूँगी कि एक चैप्टर, एक पोएम और ग्रामर तीनों का इस तरह से आप लोगों का होमवर्क आएगा. तो प्लीज़ उसको कॉपरेट कीजिए. डोंट आस्क दैट कि होमवर्क कब आएगा, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, और डू योर होमवर्क सो आई कैन हैव अ आइडिया दैट यू आर वाचिंग द वीडियो एंड वर्किंग ऑन द ग्रामर एंड अदर portion of your textbooks. So it is very important to speak in English. Therefore I am teaching you the basic of English, that without it you won't be able to speak a single sentence of English. Therefore you don't need to mug up this, but you have to remember it. Because whenever you mug up, the things will never remember, the things will never be stored in your mind. So you have, before you store, you have to understand. So understanding is more important than mother. So it is